In this video, I want to show you how to install Git because it's a requirement for a lot of other open source projects, as also shown on my channel. So let's start installing it. From my system, Windows, I will go to Windows 64-bit download. I think it's for most users applicable. Click download. As soon as it's downloaded, click the exe file. And then you can just always click next, installing it default without setting anything else. That's okay. And now it's finished. We don't want to see the release notes. Then we can verify it. So just go to any folder here, go in the prompt, type cmd, press enter, and it opens a cmd in this folder. And then you can just type git -- version, make it a little bit bigger, and press enter. And then you see it's installed and working correctly. So we can verify it by just cloning a Git repo. Here is, for example, Bolt.diy, which is a coding assistant. If you want to know more about it, check out my other videos. And then you can go back here in the terminal, type git clone, and then paste with right click the URL in. And as you can see, it's done. We got now the Bolt.diy folder here, for example. We can go in and we see all files are there from the Git repository. Okay, if you want to know more about Git and learn how to do it, I have here a little tool developed which simulates Git, and you can learn the basics here by typing your commands in. If you want to know how I built this tool, check out this video here. And if you want to know how to install other tools like Docker, Python, etc., check out this playlist. And I hope this helps. Let me know in the comments. See you in the next one. Bye.